just a word of caution to anybody using these for their bumper quick releases. The bearings in here tend to fall out under vibration, and a lot of times the bumper will release at a time that you don't want it to. Good thing is they are very cheap. I think I just got a 4-pack for $12, so I always keep them on hand. But just keep in mind that if you are on track, these might come loose with high vibration. They did hold up for, I guess, about 2 hours worth of track time at Lime Rock. So I mean, I'm averaging 85 to 90 miles an hour on a lap there. So they held up okay, but this one let go my last session. So just keep that in mind.